Welcome to Tara Hamlets Talking Therapies. Due to COVID-19, we are changing the way that we offer support to you. For the time being, all of our appointments are being delivered by telephone or video call. Once you have referred yourself to the service, you will attend a telephone assessment with a clinician from our team who will ask you questions about the difficulties that you're experiencing and the kind of help that you're looking for. Depending on the outcome of your assessment, you may be offered therapy within our service. This might be one-on-one or in groups. We also offer wellbeing webinars to anyone who is on the waiting list, or as a standalone form of treatment. Further details of these workshops can be found on our website. Individual sessions may take place over the phone, but they can also be via video call, whereas all groups are done through video call. The program that we use for this is called webex. It's very similar to Skype or Zoom, which you may be familiar with. The purpose of this video is to explain in more detail how to use webex. After the telephone assessment, if it has been agreed that you will attend sessions via video call, you will be sent an email from us with instructions on how to use webex. It can be helpful if you read this, as it gives you more information on the process involved. Please be aware that NHS emails very often end up in junk and spam folders, so please keep an eye on these folders regularly. Before any appointment that you attend in the service, whether it's one-on-one, as a group, or a workshop, you will be sent some questionnaires from the service. These get repeated at every appointment, and you must complete these prior to your appointment. These will show up in your inbox from online web form. Once you've completed these questionnaires, you will be able to access your appointment. Once you've been booked into a webinar, a group, or your individual one-on-one therapy slot, you will receive a link to webex from the therapist. In this email, you will see details of the date and the time of your appointment, and you will need to click on the link on the day and time of your appointment in order to join the meeting. You can also dial in via your phone, and the number to call will be included in the email as well. When you click on Join Meeting, you are given the choice of opening in your browser or downloading the app on your device. If you don't wish to download the app, you can still select to join from your browser. webex will ask you to input your full name. We recommend using just your initials if you are joining a group or a webinar for confidentiality purposes. If you are doing one-on-one sessions, it's fine to enter your full name as your therapist will be expecting you. You will next be brought to this screen, which is where you can preview your audio and camera settings. For webinars, we ask that audio and visual is turned off. For one-on-one, you will have your camera and your audio on, and for groups it will depend on the group and the therapist, and you will have likely been told prior to joining the group whether or not to have these on. You may decide to join with your audio and visual turned off, and these can be changed once you're in the meeting. Once you are connected to the meeting, you will see that there's a number of different tools that you can use. You can change your audio and camera settings. You can see which participants are already in the meeting. For one-on-one sessions, it will just be you and your therapist. For webinars or groups, you'll be able to see a list of the initials of other participants who have already joined the meeting. There's a chat function that you can use. There is the option of being able to chat with your therapist privately or to send messages to the whole group. If you have joined a group or a webinar and you've got your audio turned on, your therapist may mute you in order for there not to be any background noise. Once the meeting has ended, you just need to click on the X and leave the meeting.